Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the new update from Google Chrome where you can now add a widget to your iPhone home screen and also play the famous Dino game on your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. With the new update from Google Chrome, you can now do a search from your home screen using the new widget from Google. There are many other features which Google have introduced in this widget which I will be showing you. To begin with, let's open up your App Store and make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated that, make sure you open the app and you have signed in using your Google account. If you don't do this step, then you won't see the Chrome widget in the widget list. Now go back to the home screen and long press on the empty space. Tap on the plus sign to see the widget list. Now from here search for Chrome or scroll down and find Chrome. Now you'll see three different types of Chrome widget. The first one gives you many options such as search function, Incognito Mode, voice search and QR scanner. The second one only has a Google search. The third one is the famous Chrome Dino game which you can play on your iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll add the large layout and the Dino game to my home screen. On the large Chrome widget, you have several features which you can use. The first one is where you can do a search or type in a URL from the home screen. I was hoping it would allow the users to type it in, but this opens up Chrome and then from here you need to type in what you want to search or your URL. The second feature is your Incognito Mode. By tapping on the detective with the glasses icon, you will enter in the Incognito Mode where none of your browsing history will be saved. The third feature is your voice search. By tapping on the microphone, you can search using your voice. You'll need to allow permission for the app to access your mic. The last feature is quite useful, which I'll be using quite often. Let's say you are on a desktop browsing on Google Chrome and land upon an interesting page. Now you want to read that web page later on at bedtime. So using the QR scanner, you can transfer the page from your desktop to your mobile phone. So tap on the QR scanner. Now on your desktop Google Chrome browser, click on the URL. At the right side, you'll see a QR code icon. Click on it. Using your QR scanner from the widget, scan the QR code. Once scanned, a new page will open up, pasting the URL. Tap on Go, and now you can continue reading that web page on your mobile phone. And now this is the fun part where you can now play the famous Dino game on your mobile phone. Tap on the Chrome Dino widget. This will open up Chrome where you can now tap to start playing the game. And there you have it, the new Chrome widget and the Dino game widget on your iPhone home screen. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.